Okay, so you're upside down and you're looking down from the top of the door at the window crank handle. Now this window is not rolling up or down. So on here, they make a special tool for this. But if you look in here, there's a slot with like a clip on it. Okay? And what you got to do is just pop that off like this, and then the crank will come off. So you don't really need this special tool. You can just use a special pair of pliers, and then it just pops back on. So pick a side, any side, and put it back on here. And the only thing that holds it in place is those two little pieces of wire. So I'll show you again. So when we want to reinstall it, we're just going to line it up and give it a push, and now it's popped back on, see? But if that black piece wasn't there, it's easier to see. So all you gotta do is get your tool in here and then just push that up until you can grab it. Come on, I just did it. Pull it up till you can grab it. It's being difficult, because why not? Fiat, that's why. And you really don't even have to take it all the way off, but so the window handle comes off. So I'm going to set it up, put it back together, so like that. It just locks on this slot. And now I got to pull this door panel off to see what's going on with the window.